Welcome to Brand Kettle, the leading provider of turnkey retail delivery services for multi-store rollout brands throughout India. At Brand Kettle, we take pride in our ability to manufacture all facets of retail requirements, utilizing our modern and efficient manufacturing facility. Whether it's metal, wood, acrylic, signage, or branding, we have got it all covered for you. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in every product which leaves our facility. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some of the key members of Brand Kettle family.
एक छोटा सा स्टार्टअप था हमारे ही किसी दोस्त का, और वो पिज़्ज़ा विला करके वो जगह थी। वहाँ पे हम दोनों बैठे एक शाम को, और एक टिश्यू पेपर पे हम लोगों ने एक प्लान उतारा। इस तरीके से हम एक कंपनी की स्थापना करेंगे जिसका नाम है ब्रांड केटल प्रोजेक्ट्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड। उस दिन हमने एक 2 सीटर कैबिन के ऑफिस से अपने जर्नी की शुरुआत करी, और आज हम लोग 100+ लोगों की कंपनी है जो कि पूरे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और टीम से लैस है।
Now coming back to the factory, which is covering 60,000 square feet area with a dedicated team of more than 100+ skilled manpower, a brand which has in-house manufacturing setup. The strength that separates us from other turnkey vendors, providing all services under one roof to minimize your tracking efforts and maximize efficiency. Equipped with the cutting-edge machines to work with various forms of wood surface and metals like solid wood, panel boards, sheet metal, stainless steel, copper, and many more. Machinery set up for woodwork, which includes beam saw, panel saw, paint booth, multi-boring, cold press, and through-fit edge bending. And machinery set up for metals that includes CNC laser, bending, fabrication setup, TIG, MIG welding stations, and 8-tank semi-auto conveyorized powder coating booth. Hi, I am Vikas Jha, founder and CEO of Brand Kettle. Started in June 2020 in the lockdown with a small co-working space with just a 2-seater cabin with my friend Gaurav. We had always dreamed of having our own amazing corporate office, a place where work isn't just an office but the beginning of an incredible story. As our business is more into manufacturing, so in the very beginning of this journey, we focused on setting up our manufacturing facility. We continuously worked really hard for 3 years and finally got our dream corporate office set up in one of the best available corporate office space in the heart of city, Delhi Faridabad Badarpur border, that is Vatika Business Center. Now, it's not about always to work and to getting things from the society. Sometimes you also have to giving back to the society. So just a couple of months back, Brand Kettle, on the completion of 3 years, we have decided to start Brand Kettle Foundation. We don't just focus on business, we believe in giving back to the community as well. So every month we organize and participate in various CSR events and activities aimed to making a positive impact on the lives of those who live in slum areas. Also, whatever amount Brand Kettle Projects is earning from your projects, from the clients which we do the projects, so a particular amount of the percentage goes to the Brand Kettle Foundation so that we can take care of that foundation as well in a perfect manner. From educational initiatives to healthcare drives, we are committed to uplifting the communities we serve. Because at Brand Kettle, we understand the importance of making a difference beyond the boardroom. Our commitment to excellence has earned us the trust of renowned brands. Some of the names we have proudly worked with includes Malabar Gold and Diamonds, PMJ Jewels, Marks and Spencer, Bluestone Jewelry, Tira, Samsung Global. This order came from Dubai, Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus, Realme, Tasva, Reliance, Lenskart, Pizza Hut, KFC, and many more. As we look ahead, the future is undeniably bright for Brand Kettle. Our passion for innovation, commitment to quality, and dedication to social responsibility will continue to drive us forward.
So we just started as a small company, and we never thought that we could become this big in this short span of time. So I really thank to Almighty who has been really kind on us. Brand Kettle company, family, community welcomes all the investors and our clients, all business partners who wants to join hands with us and to collaborate in the success journey of the brand Kettle. So please come, and we would really love to welcome you and to serve you as the better part of the society.
Thank you for choosing Brand Kettle, the partner of choice for all your retail delivery needs. Together, let's build a future where excellence meets innovation. Brand Kettle, where your vision becomes reality.